like what she don't got.
I do not have titties.
I know, me
Who wants
too.
to show me some titties I don't have?
Mom didn't bless us with
Sorry,
titties.
I'm so sorry.
Jennifer's used to this. She don't even care. She's immune.
Dress. She blessed me with flat boobies, Jennifer.
Yep.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry too.
She's got more boobies than we do.
You know what? I had boobs until I had kids.
Kids should make you have big boobs, right?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, they do.
Fuck, I'm screwed. I was looking forward to boobs when I had kids, but now I know. They're gonna shrink.
Katie,
This is
oh
pure
my
comedy.
god.
Are you getting
You
this
got
too? Yes.
Katie,
Yeah, show this
Yes,
to her.
ma'am. Ass and titties.
Yeah.
check what your
yeah.
mama gave ya. Your mama didn't give you shit.
Give me shit. She fucking gave me A minuses.
Oh,
YouTube.
yeah. MySpace.
Oh,
Facebook.
Teddy.
Not even A plus. A minus.
What's this? What's this?
Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus.
My stomach hurts. I can't even hold this fucking camera no more.
Okay, stop. You're gonna be so embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed already. I laid in her lawn.
You
That's
what?
how embarrassed
You
I
what?
She laid her lawn.
I laid in her lawn. I didn't lay her lawn.
Yeah, laid on her lawn. Yeah, it happens.
Was it her lawn?
That's more embarrassing than A minus. Okay.
I think so. When you say you laid her
I
lawn.
said I laid on her lawn. Your lawn is pretty
Let me see
fucking
what
soft.
you recorded.